Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have another affordable unit for you guys. This one, the starting price is $77. Depending on the length, it does get more expensive. Mine is in length 20 and y'all, it's only $164. And I do have a discount code so you can get it for even less. Talking about a deal. So this is from Alipearl, and y'all already know if you saw my last video with Alipearl, their hair is inexpensive, but the quality is on a million. So it does come pre-plucked, but not very much. You are gonna have to put in a little bit of elbow grease if you want it to be more refined in the front. If you're planning to have it look super natural, you're gonna have to pluck it some more. This is Brazilian virgin hair, and y'all, it is so fly. If y'all saw my last video, you already saw me in this unit. So now I'm showing you all how I install. It is a lace front unit. It does come with two combs on the side and a comb at the bottom, which is very helpful, and adjustable straps. Mine is in a size medium. When you first put it on your head, y'all, it is gonna look a little crazy, but it's so quick and easy to get it to look nice. I actually did this while I was away visiting my family. I wanted to switch up my look and wear straight hair, and I was so pleased with this unit. Although it doesn't really have a whole lot of the pre-plucked hairline going on, you can make it look really natural in a matter of about 10 to 15 minutes. It did not take me long at all. So I just parted it where I wanted, and then I sprayed water so that I could get it to lay down near the part, and then I used my comb to just comb it out. And then I'm gonna use some mousse, and Gerard, literally my husband, had to go to the store to get me the mousse. But yeah, I'm just combing it out here, and this is what the mousse looks like. He just grabbed whatever mousse was in Walgreens for me, and y'all, I'm feeling this hair already. Although this hair is inexpensive, the integrity and the quality of the hair has not been compromised. This is probably some of the best straight hair that I've ever worked with. It is glorious, y'all. So I just applied the mousse near the hairline and also near the parting, just to flatten it out a little more and to give it a bit more hold. And I did all of this before actually cutting off the lace. I really wanted it to be really flat beforehand. So I'm just doing that, refining the part a bit, and then I'm gonna proceed to move on to the next part of the process. So as you all can see, I haven't really done a whole lot to the hairline or anything, and it already looks good. Now the knots on this unit have not been bleached or anything, but you can go in and do that if you'd like, or just use the Sally Hansen method, which I'm going to show you all in a minute. I did pluck this hairline minimally. I didn't have a whole lot of time, so I didn't do a great deal to it, but you all will see later that it's really not necessary. I was able to leave the house and the unit looked very good. So I'm just combing out the excess hair, and this is how much I took out, which was not very much at all. And now I'm just going in, cleaning up the part a bit more, and then I'm going to proceed on to the Sally Hansen method. But y'all, look at the sheen, the luster for this unit. It just looks so good. So I'm just gonna take it off, and I'm gonna show you all what the parting looks like, and then I'm gonna begin to spray on the Sally Hansen. And this is their airbrush spray. This is meant for your legs, but you can use it on your lace in order to tint and also conceal those knots. So I'm just spraying it on, and generally I'll do this on a mannequin head, but I did not bring that with me. It wouldn't fit in my suitcase. So I'm just going to spray it on and then use my foundation brush to stipple it into the lace. And this is what it looks like. Now, after you've done this process, don't stop there. Clean it up with a makeup wipe. I'm now deciding to secure my adjustable straps so that they're tighter, because this is in a size medium. I generally wear a size small, so I do have to tighten it a bit. So I'm putting it on my head, and as you all can see, before cutting the lace or anything, it looks so much better, and it looks more like scalp. So now I'm going to use a clip to gather the hair out of the way when I begin to cut off the excess lace in the front. So I'm just going to do that, and I generally don't even do it on my head. I started it on my head, but it is a challenge for me to cut the lace off while it's on me. Generally, I do this on a mannequin head, and it's so much faster, and I feel like it's more precise doing it that way, but do whatever works for you. So I started that way, and then I decided to take it off and finish the process. When you're completing this process, try not to cut straight across. Try to kind of do a zigzag and kind of make it a little jagged. That will make your hairline look so much more natural. So I'm just doing that, and that's what it looks like currently. And then I move my stocking cap forward. I'm not going to do the ball cap method because, again, I did not have much time. I'm just making sure that I've covered the area where my parting is going to be. So I pulled the cap up far enough so that it's covering my hairline in that area where my part is going to be. I'm not focusing on any other area because, again, I don't have much time. So this is what it looks like. I have not laid it or anything, and it's already laying super flat. So this unit is literally legit. It was like so exciting for me not to have to do a great deal of work deciding that I wanted to wear straight hair last minute and being able to throw this unit on. I didn't have to flat iron the hair or nothing. So I'm gonna go with my Got To Be Glue in the yellow bottle. This is my favorite to use, and I say that all the time. And I'm just spreading it out along my hairline. Now my challenge this time was that I did not bring a blow dryer. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought they would have one in the hotel and it would have the cool setting, but the one that they had did not. So I had to use my hand to fan it, which was, you know, quite taxing, but we made it work. So after I've done this and it's gotten tacky, I'm gonna move the unit forward. And when doing this, I just made sure it was aligned properly and then I placed it down. After doing this, you may have to go in and add more Got To Be glue or whatever adhesive you're using. So I did do that, and then I pressed into the lace using the back of my rat tail comb. As I'm doing one side, I'm beginning to pull down and lay the other side. So I'm just pressing into the lace a little more. And once I'm finished with this process, there may be additional Got To Be glue that spilled over. I didn't bring any alcohol to clean that area, so I just used a makeup wipe and that worked perfectly fine. Now I'm just going to have to put some foundation back in that area, and that's going to make it look more natural along the hairline. And then I'm using my Fit Me loose powder to fill in the area where my part is to make it even more natural. And you just clean the hair around the part with a makeup wipe. Those makeup wipes really come in handy, and you're done. That's literally it. That's all you have to do. This unit is so amazing. Alipearl, listen, this is a company. If you don't have any Alipearl units, you need to get some. This is a really, really great company. Their hair is so inexpensive and it's great quality, y'all. And babe kind of had his little cameo in this video. I was taking up the bathroom and he started flirting with me, y'all.
Why do you answer? Why did you answer the first time?
You good?
So right now I'm just finishing off my lippy. I used probably 3 different colors. Y'all know how I do. And it looks so great. I feel like the look came together so nicely. This is what it looks like in natural lighting. My unit is 180% density. It's also in length 20 and it comes past my bust area. It's really long, and when I turn around in the back, it touches my tail. It's so long. Got that Gone with the Wind fabulous look going. I had the air like right in front of me and it created a really nice look. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for a discount code and also all the deets for this particular hair. Check out my previous video where I show you guys babe and I's first Christmas together as a married couple. I love you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one, guys. Bye.